Immobiliser fit, and this is a 2017 GLC43 with a ghost immobiliser. So a thief copied that key, done a relay attack, went to steal the vehicle. It's going to start up, but when you go to put it in gear, you're going to see it cut out. Car's cut out, so they're unable to drive it away. So what the customer has to do to drive this vehicle is start it up, go for a code of their choosing. So for now we've set 1, 2, 3, 4. Double flash from the full beam, and now we can select our gear and drive off. The vehicle doesn't stall out, and they can drive away. Customer can set their own code on this, so they can be between 4 and 21 presses. And the way they'll do that is turn the ignition on without their foot on the brake, pop their code in to prove it's them. 1, 2, 3, 4 we have for now. Get our double flash, now put our foot to the floor in the accelerator. Repeat our code again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Once we've done that, the full beam's going to start to flash and we can take our foot off. So now we're just going to put a new code in of left, right, left, right. When we're done, we'll get 3 flashes. And again, left, right, left, right. Wait, and we'll get 2 flashes. And that's the code change. We can turn the vehicle off. This system also has a service mode, so if they want to take it for a service, they can turn the whole system off. So when it goes back to Mercedes, it's a normal vehicle. So what we'll do, turn the ignition on, pop our code in, get a double flash. Now we've got that, we're going to press the driver's window 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to get 5 flashes. And that places the system in service mode. So when it goes back to Mercedes, no codes needed. It's just a normal vehicle. It's going to drive as you'd expect it to, with nothing fitted, go into gear, not stall out. And they can road test it, service it, do whatever they need to do. It's a normal vehicle. When you get it back from them, all you've got to do, keep ignition on, keep your foot off the brake, pop your code in, and receive a double flash. There we go, that's now back on, so we'll turn the car off. And now just test it without the code as if we're a thief. We'll start it up, put it in gear, and you see it cut out straight away. So once again, this is the GLC 43 with a ghost immobiliser. Give us a call on 0208 212 7393 to get one fitted to your vehicle. Thanks for watching.